you can find determinant only for a square matrix. So determinant is a number associated only with what? Square matrix, because 2 square is also 4, minus 2 square is also what? 4. Leave the column and row where the element is present, minus into second element minus 2, delete the column and row where we have problems. This is a basic problem. Once you are thorough with this, then we can add on with many more problems. We'll write the elements in rows and columns. Primary diagonal elements, product minus secondary diagonal elements. Welcome to the session, dear students. So in my today's class, we'll be continuing with the chapter matrices and determinants. In my last class, I taught you the basic, that is matrices, and we have done problems on matrix algebra. In today's class, we are going ahead with determinants. So now in today's session, I will be teaching what is determinant, how to find determinant of 2 cross 2 matrix, how to find determinant of 3 cross 3 matrix, and problems associated with determinants. So now, what is a determinant? See, determinant means it's a number associated with square matrix. Determinant is a number associated with what? Square matrix. If you take matrix, matrix is arrangement of numbers in rows and columns, or arrangement of elements in rows and columns, but determinant is a number and it is associated with square matrix. Meaning is, you can find determinant only for a square matrix, and in our syllabus we have 2 cross 2 and 3 cross 3. What is a square matrix? All of you know. Square matrix andre eno? A matrix in which number of rows and number of columns are equal. So now coming to this, determination of finding or determining determinant of 2 cross 2. How to find determinant of 2 cross 2? So we will take a matrix of order 2 cross 2. 2 cross 2 means what? 2 rows, 2 columns, 2 horizontal rows, 2 vertical columns. Determinant is symbolized as, we can say determinant of A, I can write det A, det of A, or I can also use modulus A. So in normal maths we read this as mod A, but here we will read it as determinant of A. How to find determinant of A? Simple. Multiply diagonally. Starting from the first element, multiply the diagonal elements. A into D, AD, minus in the formula B into C, BC. AD minus BC is the determinant. When you do product of principal diagonal minus product of secondary diagonal, you will get a number. That number is determinant of 2 cross 2 matrix. Now I will take a matrix called 1 4 2 3. You can see I have written a square matrix. What is a square matrix? A matrix in which number of rows and columns are equal. And in today's class, in the first topic, we are discussing 2 cross 2. Here, how many rows are there? 2 rows. And how many columns are there? 2 columns. So it's a 2 cross 2 matrix. Now I'll teach you how to find determinant. How to find determinant? Multiply the principal diagonal elements. What are the principal diagonal elements? 1 and 3. 1 into 3 minus 2 into 4. Principal diagonal minus secondary diagonal. 1 into 3 minus 2 into 4. 1 3 is a 3 minus 2 4 is a 8. That will give you minus 5. My dear students, determinant may be a negative number or positive number, but it's a number. But whereas matrix is arrangement of numbers. So now, if they give matrix B, if B is equal to say minus 2 3 1 4. So this is a matrix. And what is the order of this? 2 cross 2. If they ask you to find, then we will find determinant of B. Then determinant of B. How to read this? Determinant of B. Determinant of B means multiply the principal diagonal. Minus 2 into 4 minus 3 into 1. Primary diagonal or principal diagonal, product of principal diagonal elements minus product of secondary diagonal elements. Minus 2 into 4 minus in the formula 1 into 3. Minus 2 into 4 is minus 8, minus 3. 3 ones are 3. So it will become minus 11. So we got a determinant. How to find determinant of any matrix? So if you have matrix of the form A, B, C, D, a 2 cross 2 matrix, determinant, this is A, and how to find determinant A? Simple, multiply principal diagonal, that is A into D minus multiply secondary diagonal BC, AD minus BC. So this is a way to find determinant of 2 cross 2 matrix. Multiply the principal diagonal elements minus multiply the secondary diagonal elements. Now we will do problems based on this. determinant, before we go to the determinants, just now, before we go to the problems, just now I told the difference between determinant and matrix. What is a determinant? Determinant is a number. What is a matrix? Matrix is arrangement of numbers or elements. So, determinant of a matrix exists only for square matrix. So, determinant is a number associated only with what? Square matrix. We cannot find determinant for any matrix. You can find determinant only for what? 2 cross 2 or 3 cross 3 or any square matrix. What is square matrix? A matrix in which number of rows is equal to number of columns. And determinant is a number, associate number, whereas matrix is arrangement of numbers or arrangement of elements. So, now matrix A means we will write the elements in rows and columns. Determinant means when you find out you will get a number. Now, coming to the next case. Problems based on 2 cross 2 determinant. Simple, direct, basic problems we will take. These are all important 1 markers also. They gave a matrix A. What is matrix A? 3, minus 1, 2, 4. They want you to find determinant of A. They want you to find determinant of A. So, solution is simple. First, I will write what is given. Given matrix A. So, given matrix A is equal to, what is the first row? First row is 3 minus 1. What is the second row? 2, 4. This is the matrix A they give. And they want you to find determinant of A. And this is the symbol of determinant of A. So, determinant of A means determinant of 3 minus 1, 2, 4. So, please understand, if I write straight lines, this is determinant. If I put bracket, then it is matrix. This is matrix. If I put straight lines, this is determinant. That is, how to find determinant? Multiply principal diagonal elements. 3 into 4 minus, in the formula always minus, AD minus BC. So, 3 into 4 minus, second 2 into this into this, 2 into minus 1. 3 4s are 12, minus into minus plus, 2 1s are 2, 12 plus 2 14. So, we got the value called determinant. What is the determinant you got? 14. So, they want find you to, they ask you to find the determinant of A. We can write this as det of A, determinant of A, det of A is 14, or we can also write this as determinant of A. How to read this? This is in matrices chapter, we will read it as determinant. And the symbol is also symbolizes magnitude of a vector, and also it symbolizes what is called as modulus function. But here we read this as what? How to read this? Determinant of A. How much we got? 14. I hope all of you understood. This is a basic, simple, direct problem. They want you to find determinant of matrix A. So, first write given matrix. What is given matrix? 3 minus 1, 2, 4. Then find determinant. How to find? Multiply the diagonal, 3 into 4 minus 2 into minus 1. Principal diagonal elements product minus product of secondary diagonal elements. So, we are done with this. Going ahead, find the determinant. If B is this, find determinant of B. So, now this is find determinant of B. So, we want det of B. Det of B or determinant of B. Simple and direct, all of you know. So, first write what is given. What is given matrix? Given B is minus 3, minus 1, 4, minus 2. This is a matrix they give. They gave a matrix, and this is what determinant of B. How to find? Multiply principal diagonal first, minus 3 into minus 2 minus 4 into minus 1, 4 into minus 1. So, it will become plus 6 plus 4, minus into minus plus, 3 2s are 6, minus into minus plus, 4 1s are 4, 10. So, determinant of B is how much? 10. So, listen carefully, what are the probable mistakes students will do? So, first they see what they will do. Suppose if I have 5 1 2 3, so they will do this first. This is a wrong method. So, you should not multiply secondary diagonal first. First always you should multiply 5 into 3. First you should start with first element, diagonally you multiply, then you should go, this is first, then this is next. Primary diagonal elements product minus secondary diagonal elements. If you do reverse, then you are wrong. So, now I hope all of you understood. Minus 3 into minus 2 minus 4 into minus 1, if you do, you will get this. Next, they gave a determinant value, they themselves they gave. This is other type of problem. So, first two problems we have done, they are plain and simple, where we found out determinant of 2 cross 2 matrix. How to find determinant of 2 cross 2 matrix? Multiply the principal diagonal minus multiply the secondary diagonal. And in this problem they gave determinant value. So, straight lines we read this as what? Determinant. determinant of this is equal to 0, then find x. The question is they are asking you to find the value of x. So, first take what is given. What is given we will take. What is given? They have given determinant of x minus 3x, this is given. So, neatly they have given whatever they have given I have wrote, and you know how to read this. How to read this? If I put bracket, then it is matrix. If I put straight lines like this, then we read this as determinant. So, determinant of x minus 3x is 0. How to find determinant? Multiply diagonally. So, x into x minus second diagonal minus 3 into minus 3 is equal to, they gave the value already 0. That implies x into x is x square, minus into minus is plus, 3 3s are 9 is equal to 0. Minus into minus plus, but outside we have one more minus. Minus into minus plus 9, but outside we have one more minus. Minus into minus plus, into minus is minus. So, now x square minus 9 equal to 0 you got. So, what is x square? X square is positive 9. Now, we are interested in x. So, if x square is 9, what is x? X is square root of 9. All of you know degree 2 will have two roots, one is positive, one is negative. So, x is plus or minus root 9. So, what are the values of x? Plus or minus, what is root 9? 3. So, therefore, what are the roots? X is equal to minus 3 or x is equal to 3. These are the two values of x, plus or minus 3 you can write. See, many students will write x square is equal to 9, they will write x square is equal to 3. One value they will skip. See, please understand, in PU board they will not give half mark or 1/4 mark. If a small error is there in one marker, you will lose all the marks. So, that is why we are doing. So, degree 2 means it will have two roots, write both the roots. Now, we are getting real roots, so you should write both. So, now let me explain this. They give determinant is equal to 0. How to read this? Determinant of x minus 3 minus 3x. So, now if I write like this, how to read this? How to read this? This is matrix. If I put bracket like this, then it is matrix. If I write in square bracket, it is matrix. But they have put straight lines. Can you observe? Straight line means what? How to read this? This is determinant. How to read this? Determinant. So, they give determinant of x minus 3 minus 3x is 0. So, you know how to find determinant of 2 cross 2. Multiply diagonally x into x, minus in the formula, minus 3 into minus 3. So, x square outside minus, let it be, minus into minus becomes plus 9, x square equal to 9, and x is equal to plus or minus root 9, that is plus or minus 3. So, we got two values. Then next problem. So, now problems based on 2 cross 2 determinant will continue. So, we have just now we have done problem, similar problem. These are all the regularly asked previous year board questions. So, now we will take determinant of 2x minus 4 minus 2x is equal to what they give? 0 again. This is given. How to read this? If you know how to read this, 50% problem is solved. We will read this as what? Determinant of 2x minus 4 minus 2x is 0. So, now multiply this. So, we will get 2x into x minus minus 2 into minus 4 is equal to what? 0. So, 2x into x is 2x square, minus outside, minus into minus plus 8 is equal to what? 0. So, further rearrange. So, 2x square is equal to, transfer minus 8 to the other side, it will become plus 8. And what is x square? X square is 8 by 2. Further, x square is equal to what? 8 by 2 is how much? 2 ones are 2, 4s are. So, x square is 4. What is x? Root of 4 plus or minus. So, we will get two values for x, they are plus or minus 2. So, x is minus 2 or x is plus 2, two values. So, determinant they gave, I equated to 0 because they gave determinant is 0, and you will get an equation and solve that equation, you will get two values of x. I told you students probable mistakes what they will do is they will forget plus or minus, they will write x square is equal to 4 and in hurry they will write x square is equal, x is equal to root 4 and plus 2, they will forget minus 2. So, for degree 2 we will have two roots, when you are putting plus root the other side, do not forget to plus, because 2 square is also 4, minus 2 square is also what? 4. So, degree 2 will have two roots, remember. When you get two real roots, you have to write them. Next, they want you to evaluate. So, earlier they used to give in words, find the determinant of. They gave symbol. evaluate. Evaluate means find the value of this. First you know how to read this. Straight lines 2, 4, minus 5, minus 1. Read this first. How to read this? This is determinant of. How to read this? Determinant of 2, 4, minus 5, minus 1. How to find determinant? So first multiply principal diagonal, that is 2 into minus 1 minus, then you multiply secondary diagonal, minus 5 into 4. Got it? So 2 into minus 1 minus in the formula, minus 5 into 4, minus 2, minus into minus plus, 5 4s are 20. So minus 2 plus 20 is positive 18. So we got it. After evaluating, the value became how much? For this we got the answer as what? 18. Any doubts? Evaluate means what? Find the value. How to read this? Determinant. They want you to find the value of this determinant. We found out. Problems based on this. Again we have to evaluate this, but earlier they gave elements. Now they gave trigonometric functions. Sin theta, cos theta, sin theta, sin theta, cos theta. So we will evaluate it. So determinant of cos theta, sin theta, cos theta. So now how to evaluate? So multiply these two, cos theta into cos theta minus sin theta into sin theta. This is cos square theta minus sin square theta. That's it. We got the answer. So we cannot further simplify. Actually cos square theta minus sin square theta can be written as cos compound angle, cos 2 theta. After you learn trigonometry, so this year we have trigonometry. So in trigonometry we have compound angles. There multiple angles also. Cos square theta minus sin square theta can be written as cos 2 theta. And we will take one more problem, 6, let it be. I will take 6a. So let me take cos theta and I will take minus sin theta, cos theta. Suppose if we take this, I am taking cos theta minus sin theta, sin theta, cos theta. So now what is the determinant? Multiply. So I will get cos square theta minus in the formula. So multiply these two. Sin theta into minus sin theta is minus sin square theta, plus into minus sin square theta. So further it will become cos square theta plus sin square theta. What is cos square theta plus sin square theta? You studied in your first year. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is what? 1. I hope all of you got this. If they give minus sin theta, we will get 1. But they have not given. They have given like this. For this given question, this is the answer. Suppose if they give, we can also use identity. So two different problems I have done. Next, they give. Next, we will go ahead with 3 cross 3 determinant. See, now I have done 2 cross 2 determinant. 2 cross 2 determinant was simple. If I give determinant of A, B, C, D, how to find this? A into D, multiply principal diagonal A into D minus B into C or C into B. This is the answer. Principal diagonal product minus secondary diagonal product. If you do, you will get 2 cross 2. So now we will go ahead with what? 3 cross 3. Now I will be teaching you what? 3 cross 3 determinant. So in 2 cross 2, we have done simple basic problems where numbers are given. Then we have done type 2. They will give determinant is equal to 0, where you should find x are unknown. Type 3, trigonometric functions also they can include. That also we have done. Now we will go for problems based on 3 cross 3 determinant. So we will solve or we will find the value of what? 3 cross 3 determinant. Now 3 cross 3 determinant means 9 elements will be there. 3 rows, 3 columns. 1, 2, 3, 3 rows and 3 columns. Simple. First we will take first element. What is the first element here? A11. We will write A11. Further we will delete the column here where A11 is. A11 is in first column, leave it. Delete this column. A11 is in first row, leave it. If I close, say A11 belongs to first column and A11 belongs to first row. If I delete first column and first row, I have 4 elements you can see. That 4 elements, put it in 2 cross 2. A22, A23, A32. This is a 2 cross 2. You know how to expand 2 cross 2. Then minus A12, minus A12. Delete this, remaining you will write. Then plus A13. A13 is in last column, delete this, we will write this. So to make you understand better, I will take one example. So it will become easy for you to understand. So they have given a matrix. Is it 3 cross 3? Is it 3 cross 3? Yes, because it has 3 horizontal rows, 3 vertical columns. So it's a square matrix. How to find determinant of 3 cross 3? Simple and easy. So now I'll take like this, determinant of, they want determinant A. Determinant A, can I write determinant A as determinant of 1, 2, 3 minus 1, 4, 2, 5, 6 minus 4. Determinant finding is simple and easy. Is equal to what is the first element? 1. Delete the column where first element is. First element belongs to first column, leave it. First element is in first row, leave it. So I'll close these two. What are the elements you can see? You can see 2 cross 2, 4, 2, 6 minus 4. 4, 2, 6 minus 4. I am writing this. I hope all of you understood. So first element, always we say plus minus plus. What is the sign? Plus minus plus. Plus 1 into 1 is in first column, leave it. 1 is in first row, leave the column and row where the element is present. Now I am taking first element belongs to first row and first column, leave those two, you will get it. Then for second element you should multiply minus. The sign is plus minus plus, so minus. What is the second element? 2. And this 2 belongs to second column, leave the column. It belongs to first row, leave the row. Say 2 is in second column and second row, leave it. You will have 4 elements, minus 1, 2, 5 minus 4, minus 1, 2, 5 minus 4. I hope all of you got this. Then plus 3 into means third element. Third element belongs to third column, leave it. It belongs to first row. 3 is in first row, leave the first row, and this leave it. So you have 2 cross 2, you have 4 elements. What are they? Minus 4, 1, 5, 6. Minus 1, 4, 5, 6. That's it. Let me explain what we have done now. Now coming to this. So first we will see 1. So always you should multiply the sign plus minus plus. What is the first element? 1. 1 is in which row? 1 belongs to first row. 1 belongs to what row? First row. And 1 belongs to first column. So leave this. If I leave this two, I will have 4 elements. What are the 4 elements? 4, 2, 6 minus 4, we will take them and we will draw it. Then similarly, now we will take second element. What is second element? 2. But plus minus minus you multiply. Second element is in second column, leave it. It is in first row, leave it. If I close these two, I will have minus 1, 2, 4. I wrote this. Then third element plus 3. Third element is 3. 3 is in third column, leave it. Is first row, leave it. You will get. So now you know how to expand this. 1 into 4 into minus 4. 4 into minus 4 is minus 16 minus 6 2s are 12. You know how to expand 2 cross 2. So minus 2 into minus 1 into minus 4. Minus into minus plus 4 1s are 4. Minus 5 2s are 10. Plus 3 into minus 1 into 6 is minus 6 minus 20. Further 1 into minus 28. Minus 2 into minus 6 plus 3 into minus 26. Simplify this further. We will take A is equal to 3 minus 2 1 4 2 1 1 1 3. Some matrix we have taken like this. Now how to read this? This is determinant of A. So first we should multiply sign plus minus plus. So plus 3 into, delete the column and row where 3 is. 3 is in first column, leave it. 3 is in first row, leave it. You will have 4 elements, 2 1 1 3. Then minus sign, plus minus minus sign, and what is the element here? Minus 2. Take minus 2. Minus 2 belongs to second column, leave the column. It belongs to first row, leave the row. You will have 4 elements. What are they? 4 1 1 3. 4 1 1 3. Then plus 1 into, 1 is in last column, 1 is in first row, leave that. You will have 4 2 1 1. Determinant of 4 2 1 1. I hope you understood this. Now simplify this. 3 into, multiply 2 3s are 6 minus 1. You know how to expand 2 cross 2. Minus into minus plus 2 into 4 3s are 12 minus 1 1s are 1 plus 1 into 4 1s are 4 minus 2. Further simplify 3 into 5 plus 2 into 11 plus 1 into 2. So simplify this, so it will become 15 plus 2 plus 2. So 15 plus 22 plus 2. So 15 plus 22 plus 2, 15 plus 24, that is 39. I hope all of you understood how to find determinant of 2 cross 2 matrix. So 3. So first element is 3, take 3, delete the column and row where 3 is, you will get 2 elements, 4 elements, 2, 1, 1, 3, put them, then minus of minus 2, delete this. Second element always, what is the sign matrix? Plus, minus, plus. What is the sign? Plus, minus, plus. Minus into second element, minus 2, delete the column and row where we have 4, 1, 1, 3 you will have. Then last element 1, 1 is present in last column, leave the column, it is present in first row, leave the row, you have 4 elements, 4, 2, 1, 1, you take them, expand each and write the values, you will get the value. So this is the way to find a determinant of 3 cross 3 matrix. Now I have taught you how to find determinant of 2 cross 2 and also how to find determinant of 3 cross 3. So now let us conclude what we have learnt in today's class. Very first thing what I taught you is how to find determinant. So first 2 cross 2 determinant. So if I give A, B, C, D, and how to read this? This is determinant of A, B, C, D. A into delete the, sorry, A into multiply D, principal diagonal minus secondary diagonal. This is 2 cross 2, determinant of 2 cross 2. And I taught you symbols. So determinant of A can be written as det A, or we can write like this. And very important thing is determinant is a number associated with what matrix? Determinant is a number associated with square matrix. What is meant by square matrix? A matrix in which number of rows and number of columns are same. And we cannot find determinant for any matrix, we can find only for what? Square matrix. So now this is one basic. The second basic what I taught you is how to expand determinant of 3 cross 3. So how to expand determinant of 3 cross 3 is most important, and you should do very carefully. One sign if it is wrong, the whole answer is wrong. So if I take A, B, C, D, or if I take A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So now this is a 3 cross 3 determinant. So expansion is simple. First element, so always we should multiply sign. Sign what you should multiply is plus, minus, plus. What is the sign we are supposed to multiply? Plus, minus, plus. First element you should multiply plus. So plus into A is A, plus into A is A, and A is in which column? A is in first column. A is in first column. So leave that column where A is. A is in first row, leave that row where A is. So A belongs to first column, close it. A belongs to first row, close it. You will have 4 elements exactly, E, F, H, I. Determinant of E, F, H, I. And you know how to find determinant of this? This is 2 cross 2. Then second element you should multiply minus. Minus, what is the second element? B. And second element belongs to second column, close the second column, and it belongs to first row, close the first row. You will have D, F, G, I. So D, F, G, I. The order how it appears you write as it is. Then plus into C. So we show plus A minus B plus C. C belongs to which column? Third column. So it is in third column, leave that column, close this column. And C belongs to which row? C belongs to first row, leave this. So if I leave these two, what are the elements left out? D, E, G, H. So expand D, E, G, H. Further you know how to do this. So now A into, and this is 2 cross 2. How to multiply it? How to expand 2 cross 2? Multiply the principal diagonal. E into I minus H into F minus B into, multiply this, that will be Di minus Gf plus C into Dh minus Eg is a way to solve. So in my next class, I will add some more problems of 2 cross 2 and 3 cross 3 determinants. Then I will give a Q box, questions related to that you can solve. Now my questions for today's class. So first, in today's class, the Q box is simple. I expect everyone to evaluate this. So evaluate -5, 2, 1, 4. So now first to evaluate this, you should know how to read this. How to read this? Evaluate means find the value. Find the value of what? Determinant of -5, 2, 1, 4. And second question is very simple and interesting. 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I want you to evaluate this. Then I'll discuss properties based on this. And the third question I expect from you people is x5, 5x is equal to 0. Then find x. If you can do these problems, these are basic problems. Once you are thorough with this, then we can add on with many more problems. So today's class I started with determinant. I told you determinant is a number associated with square matrix, and you should also know how to represent matrix, how to represent determinant. Matrix means we'll use brackets, determinant means we'll use straight lines. And determinant is a number, whereas matrix is an arrangement. And we can find determinant only for what? Square matrix. And how to find determinant of 2 cross 2? Multiply principal diagonal minus multiply secondary diagonal. In between we'll have minus sign. And very important thing is, when you're multiplying, you have to multiply from the first element at the top to the last element at the bottom. So multiply the principal diagonal first, minus multiply the secondary diagonal. Then I taught you how to find determinant of 3 cross 3. How to find determinant of 3 cross 3? So first take first element, delete the column and row where it is, then you will get a 2 cross 2, like that you should go on. So we have done different problems based on determinants. I hope all of you understood this. This is a basic class. First learn how to find determinant of 2 cross 2 and 3 cross 3. Once you are thorough with this, then we can go with problems on properties of determinant. In my next class, I will add problems on properties of determinants, and we will solve problems on properties of determinant. So I hope all of you understood today's class, and we will go ahead with properties in my next class. Thanks for attending the session. I will be waiting for you for my next session, so that I hope you will be thorough with finding the value of 2 cross 2 and 3 cross 3 determinants. Once you are thorough with that, then we'll start up with what? Properties of determinant and problems based on properties of determinants. Thanks for attending. Thank you.